Hi, I'm Isabella Demarko, and today I'm going blonde without destroying my hair. I'm working with Raregen on this video. They have sent me a blonde wig to try out and share with you guys. Of course, I have a discount code for you if you do decide to go ahead and buy one of their wigs, which are amazing, by the way. I've already been stalking all of their socials, their website. Their wigs look so good, so I'm really excited to try this. There will be a code and a link below. This is what we've got inside. We've got the wig in a little bag. It actually comes with a wig stand. It even comes with a little screwdriver just in case you don't have one. I'm going to be putting this together at the end of the video. The wig does come with a wig cap and a rubber headband included. Let's go ahead and put my hair up. Okay, so here's the wig. I'm gonna be blonde. This is the Cleo. This is what she looks like straight out of the packaging. Her hair has been very thoughtfully twisted so that the style is kept intact. It is a fully lace front wig, which means it's going to look as natural as possible. It also comes with these grips inside, these snap grips on each side, and a little comb grip on the back, which is also removable with this Velcro tab. It of course has like the normal wig elastic that you can adjust, and it also comes with an extra thick elastic which is gonna help keep the wig secure if needed. So I'm going to take this off for now and just put it on as is. I'm also going to be cutting the lace to show you how to do that. Oh my good lord, I am a blonde bitch. I need a mirror. Obviously I want to like style her to like fit my style. Because the roots are darker, it blends into my natural hair a lot easier. So many times in the past I have gone for like bright peroxide blonde wigs, and then it's really hard to make them look natural because they don't blend with my natural hair. My natural hair underneath is just blending in really nicely with it. Hold on, she's up here. Sometimes I just want to be Chloe. Like, I just want to be Chloe sometimes. And with a wig, I can do that. And I don't have to bleach the shit out of my hair. This is what she looks like from the back. Okay, so when cutting the lace, I like to use a very teeny tiny pair of scissors. These nail scissors work well, but I mean, you could really use any pair. Just gonna use some clips to clip like the wig hair out the way. So usually you wanna cut about 1 centimeter away from the hairline of the wig. Always cut off less to begin with, and then do more if you need to. I'm gonna go with a zigzag cut, which a lot of people like to do because it can help the lace kind of blend a little bit more into your skin. For these side bits, because my natural hair, I want it to like poke through, I am gonna just cut it a little bit closer to the hairline. Pulled out some of my natural hair here, and now as you can see, when I pull my hair back, it's all blending really nicely into my natural hair. Okay, so I've put her on a wig head. She actually looks pretty good. I almost like don't want to ruin these curls, but I will prefer it straight. All the information about this exact wig will be in the description. I'll also leave a link to where you can buy like a wig head like this as well. This is just useful for styling it. It's so pretty. I don't want to straighten it, but I do at the same time. Because this is real hair, I am going to apply a heat protectant. I'm just going to use this Kiehl's heat protective straightening cream throughout all of the hair, and then I'm going to section it all and straighten it section by section to be more thorough. So let's talk about sourcing, because it is really important that we consider this. This is what Raregenhair have to say on their ethical sourcing. They take great pride in ensuring that all their wigs are made from ethically sourced human hair. They work closely with trusted suppliers who adhere to the strict ethical standards, prioritizing fair practices and mutual respect. Their sourcing process is designed to ensure the hair is collected voluntarily with full consent from the donors and fairly compensated. They also have a charity program where they donate $2 from every order to the NAAF, which is a National Alopecia Foundation, because of course many customers of human hair wigs are people that suffer from hair loss, as well as people that might just want to change up their hairstyle and hair color. So I do acknowledge my privilege in that regard, but if you did have any other questions, they are happy for people to reach out through their website. Good morning. I decided to film this all on a new day because I was running out of light. It starts getting dark at like 4 p.m. now in the winter, and I want to actually go out and wear the wig. This is actually going to be nerve-wracking for me because I don't really like vlogging in public very much, so I think it's going to be more nerve-wracking to vlog in public rather than wear the wig in public. I've worn wigs in public before, but I just wanted to show you like what it looks like out and about, and also just show you that nobody notices that you're wearing a wig. Let's get ready. So she is all straightened. Look how pretty. Freaking love hair. I'm just obsessed with hair. I've kind of just blow dried the top just to give it a bit of lift. I love these like low light streaks. They're so like kind of 2000s, which is my vibe. Oh, I already love it. I'm just trying to clip these clips into my actual hair, which means pushing the wig cap back a little bit. Oh my god, sorry, but how cute is this? Look at it. It's so cute. Oh my god, I feel like Phoebe from Friends. She always had like pin straight blonde hair. Oh my god. She's actually quite long as well now. I've straightened it. One of the things that is great about these wigs is that they're not like really full density. I feel like in the past, in like 2016, full density hair, like that's what everyone wanted, but it's not actually very realistic. Like most people don't have like a high density hair. Most people have less hair. So because it's actually less density, it looks more realistic because real people don't usually have like this thick lustrous hair. So although that was like the thing in like the 2016 era, I have some high density wigs and they are heavier, sometimes more uncomfortable, harder to style, they take longer to style, and also they just don't look as realistic. That was one of the things why I had high hopes about these wigs, because they're just, look, it's just lighter, more comfortable, it feels more like real hair, so much more wearable. This is what she looks like close up. These dots you can see here are called the knots. They're not particularly noticeable at a normal social distance, but you can always get in touch and ask for the knots to be bleached, which means they'll be much less visible. You can just use powder and foundation to cover them, but I usually just leave them. I could probably get away with cutting a little bit more lace here, but I don't know, I like to have a little bit extra just so I know that I can trim it off in the future. Look how nicely that blends. If you're doing this, by the way, you want to be really careful not to like get the hairdryer underneath the lace, because if you start drying the lace upwards, it's gonna like not lay flat to your head. So make sure the lace is flat. I don't have like a wig glue, so I'm just using some Got To Be Glued hairspray, which is like probably the strongest hairspray you can get. Trust me, I used to live with drag queens. They all swear by it. So if you're gonna get a wig, I'd recommend Got To Be Glued. So I've just sprayed the sides as well. I used to have one of those headbands that you use specifically to lay down the lace, but I don't know where it went over the years, so I'm just using an old pair of tights. Because I don't usually glue my wigs and I don't wear them for long periods of time, sometimes they can start to slip back. So I'm hoping that by doing it this way, and I'm also going to secure it with a few more pins, that it's not going to slip, I'm not going to feel self-conscious out and about, and I'm going to do it properly. Okay, it's been like a good half an hour, I'd say. I've gone and had some breakfast. Okay, cool. That actually feels like pretty secure. But obviously I'm not the best at this, so I might need to fix up some of these hairs. Stop it. This wig is everything. I am blonde. I've always wanted to be a blonde bitch. You can also theoretically part it anywhere you want because this whole top section here is lace. If I wanted to go with a side part, I could just create a parting there. I thought I'd also mention that this actually isn't the original wig that I was meant to be trying out. I originally chose the Ava, which is a much more bleach blonde look with the dark roots, but I ordered the wrong size, so we switched it and ended up going for the Cleo, and I'm so glad because I much prefer this one. It blends so much better with my natural hair. It's just softer on my features as well. Also, the Cleo is part of their Salon Colorist collection, meaning it's been hand dyed by their stylists, and the Ava is in the Daily Luxe collection, which is not hand dyed. It. I'm blonde. Okay, I'm gonna put together a little outfit. I actually already got dressed, so my outfit is this. I'm also thinking classic Uggs. I got these secondhand on Depop like 4 years ago and they were only £18 at the time. This was before they made a comeback. In terms of a coat, I'm thinking maybe this coat is giving 2000s that girl energy. So I think we're gonna go with this coat. It does feel pretty secure, but I'm just gonna put a little pin just by my ear, just here. It's more just for peace of mind rather than it actually probably doing much. These little earmuffs. would look so cute. But I think it's a bit too much for just going to Sainsbury's. Handbags, I would probably go with this one more for like the style. For practicality's sake, I'm just gonna bring this one because I'm literally just going to Sainsbury's. I got this for a £5 at a charity shop. Can you even believe? This is the most me handbag I have ever found. One more thing I forgot, I'm gonna put on my heart toggle bracelet. Okay, me and my blonde hair are ready to go. If you're wondering why these two nails don't have nail polish, I had to do a little bit of maintenance on my nails, so they're looking a bit crazy, but needs must. Need to get my Google Maps. Oh no, I need petrol. Okay, I've got petrol. We're ready to go. Why can't you? I've made it to Sainsbury's. I am nervous to vlog, but I think I'm gonna wait until I'm in like the privacy of the aisles, even though there's not much privacy because this is a huge Sainsbury's. Anyway, so I've got my little shopping list. I forgot to bring any shopping bags, so hopefully they have some crates. Shopping done. Okay, I'm back. It was a vibe. I enjoyed it. It's not slipped back or anything. It is still exactly where I placed it, which is like really good going. So I can't wait to experiment more with this, and just like when I'm having a bad hair day or I haven't washed my hair and I want to like look nice, I can just pop this on. So if you're interested in buying a wig or you want to get this wig, you can get 15% off with the code Isabella at raregenhair.com. So thank you Raregenhair for sponsoring this video and for sending me this incredible wig, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.